Welcome to Rescheck.info and the Rescheck blog. Today on the Rescheck blog, we want to talk to you about example res checks. As a special request by our readers, you asked that we produce a sample res check from every code. So, if you go to the Rescheck blog at rescheck.info, you can look at this. We got a request for each type of sample. We created the sample for each res check. If you need a res check using any one of these samples, all you got to do is go to www.rescheck.info. You can click Buy Now, or you can email your plans to service@rescheck.info. Alright, first res check on the page, you can see we've got an IECC 2015 res check. You can scroll all the way through that, see each page. The next page, you've got a IECC 2018 res check, then you've got an IECC 2009 res check, then there's an IECC 2012 res check, Wisconsin Uniform Dwelling Code of 2009 res check. Those are a little bit harder to find because it's only available in older versions of the res check desktop. There's a New York City res check using the New York City Energy Conservation Code, a Utah res check example right there using that Utah Energy Code. Florida res check, you can see we've used the Florida Energy Code on that. Then you've got the Georgia res check that uses the 2009 Georgia State Minimum Standard Energy Code. You've got a North Carolina res check that uses the North Carolina Energy Conservation Code. Puerto Rico, that's been very busy recently after the hurricanes. Puerto Rico Residential Energy Code. And the Vermont Energy Code of 2011, it's residential building standards. And that goes through and shows you all of them. If you need to see more of the res check, you can just click on them. That'll allow you to go through the actual pages of it. But we definitely wanted to get you a copy of each one of those res checks up there so that you'd have something to reference when you go to create your own. If for some reason you have trouble creating your own res check, then you can always use our service. We charge only $79. We can have your res check ready in about 4 to 6 hours. And all you have to do is go to rescheck.info. Click this Buy Now button in the upper left hand side of the screen and click Buy Now one more time. You're ready to go. Again, if you want to go through and look at those examples of each one of the res checks, all you have to do is go to www.rescheck.info, go to the Rescheck blog, and you can find that on there. That'll give you an example of everything you need to go through and create your own do-it-yourself res check. Thanks again for listening to the Rescheck blog. This is Everything Rescheck, brought to you by Rescheck.info.